turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. We advise changing the spark plugs one by one, since it's vital not to get them mixed up. Switch off the power to the coils. To do this, press on the plastic tab in a way that frees the spur that stops the terminal from coming out. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the nut that holds in the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Careful, the coils are fragile. It is important to handle them with care. Using a socket wrench, a big extension, a gimbal and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug. And unscrew by hand to save time. Take out the old spark plug and check that it's identical to the new one. Put the new spark plug in place, inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow it to be delicately supported until the screwing of the frame. Start tightening by hand. Then complete the process with a socket wrench, finishing off with a maximum 1/16 of a turn. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. You can then screw the nut that holds the coil back in with the socket wrench. Reconnect the coil. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.